videocast.
You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers markets news and share trading signals from experts. I'm Jessie Wang. First, US dollar. The dollar rose on Monday after Fed stimulus expectations eased and the risk aversion led to more safety demands following the rejections of some of the Greece's proposed cost-cutting measures and raising doubts about the next tranche of aid. The dollar ended the day at 1.2758 to the euro and 78.27 to the yen. Leading today's economist data is the US trade balance, with a slight fall in the deficit expected. Next to the euro. The euro fell on Monday after aggressive fear was stoked, following by the rejection of some of the austerity proposal put forward by the Greek government and over concern of the pending court ruling in Germany about the regularity of lending more money to the indebted European Union's member. The euro ended the day at 99.86 to the yen and 0.7978 to the pound. Today's news will be focused on the general elections in Holland, where it is the possible parties who are opposed for the federal force bailout who gain power, bringing into the dark future cohesion of the eurozones. The British pound. The pound rose today as expectations of more easing in Europe and US lead to the weaknesses in the euro and the dollar versus the more stable pound. A slight fall off in the risk appetite on Germany's court ruling fears also helped the pound in rules at the European safe haven. The pound ended the day at 1.5989 to the dollar and 0.7978 to the euro. Trades data is the focus on today's economic calendar. Japanese yen. The yen rose versus riskier currency but fell against the dollar on Monday, despite data showing a slowdown in the growth as falling risk appetite on the eurozone's fears stimulated yen's safe haven demands. The Japanese currency ended the day at 78.27 to the dollar and 99.86 to the euro. On the data fronts, tonight see the release of the machines order and the Tertiary's industry index. And now the sections you've been waiting for, Markets Tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provide you daily trading signals from experts in the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to long positions above 1.2745 with targets at 1.283 and 1.2875 in extensions, below 1.2745, which will look for further downside with 1.2675 and 1.2625 as targets. If we trade British pounds against US dollar, our preference is to long positions above 1.5975 with targets at 1.6035 and 1.6055 in extensions, below 1.5975, which will look for further downside with 1.5945 and 1.591 as targets. If a pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open short positions below 78.5 with targets at 78 and 77.6 in extensions, above 78.5, which will look for further upside with 78.8 and 79.05 as targets. Good luck and happy tradings. Tune in tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Jessie Wang and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a good day.